ahead and then do some scanning to see if our computer is safe from any virus. Okay, so a couple of issues found. A quick reminder, this is a paid, this is more like a free version, but then you can also subscribe if you want a full version of the app. You can go ahead and get a premium here. But with the free version, you can still go ahead and then do some basic scanning to see if everything is okay with your computer. Alright, that is it. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.